Hello friends, welcome back once again to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will explain about the font tag in HTML document and its attributes. For more updates and video tutorials, please like, share, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Alright friends, let's start. Before we write an HTML program, first we have to understand what is the font tag in HTML document. The font tag is used to set or display the text in the specified font face, font color, and font size in an HTML document. It is used inside the body tag. The font tag in HTML plays an important role in creating effective, readable, and attractive web pages. Attributes of font tag. The attributes of font tags are face, color, and size. Number 1. Face. This attribute is used to change the font type of the text that appears on the web page. The value is any font name available in the font folder, example like Verdana, Times New Roman, Comic Sans MS, Arial, etc. Number 2 is color. This attribute is used to change the font color of the text that appears on the web page. The value is any color name like red, blue, green, yellow, etc. Or you can apply the hexadecimal code, which I will be showing you in the table later. And the third one is size. This attribute is used to change the font size of the text that appears on the web page. So the value here is in the range between 1 to 7. So by default, the text is displayed in Times New Roman font face, then font color is black and font size is 3. Friends, watch the video till the end, otherwise you won't understand. Alright, I have already created a structure of HTML here. So the first line, all HTML document must begin with the opening HTML and end with the closing HTML. Okay, so this is a container tag because it has both the opening and the closing tag. So this tag indicates to the web browser that it is an HTML document. Next line comes the head. The head section contains information about the HTML document. The tags and text in this section do not directly show on the web page. Next line comes the title. So the title here I'm giving font tag in HTML. Opening title has its closing title and the title should reside within the opening and the closing head. Right? So next line comes the body. So the body section contains the tags and contents that define the body of the document. So this part is the content that should be displayed on the web page. Below the body tag, I'm applying the heading tag and the heading for the web page is displaying the text using font tag and its attribute. So opening heading 2 has its closing heading 2. So the first attribute is the font size. So here I'm using the smaller size, that is a size 1. So the text to be displayed on the web page is this will display font size 1. So opening font has its closing font. And then we apply the BR tag to break or to go to the new line on the web page. Alright, so before we run the program, first we have to save. So click on File, Save As. You select a location, I'll select Desktop, and you give a suitable name. So I will give a name, font tag, and remember the extension ht.html. Okay, click on Save. So after you have made changes, you click on the browser here. Okay, so now you will see the output. Okay, so here, this is the heading. I'm applying heading 2. And then the first size or the smaller size is the size 1. So in this way, you can keep on increasing the size. So I'll just copy this. And then I'll paste here. Okay. Okay, so keep on changing the size. So from size 1, I will change to size 2. Okay, size 2. And then size 3. Size 4. Size 5. Size 6. And the last size is size 7. Size 7. Okay, so after you have made changes, you click on File, Save, and then you click on the web page and click on the refresh button or the reload button. Okay, so in this way you will see the starting size, that is font size 1, keep on increasing to size 2, size 3, size 4, size 5, size 6, and to the last size, that is size 7. Okay, so here the default font size is this one, size 3. Okay, this is the default font size, whereas you can choose your own choice whether you want from size 1 till size 7. All right, so this is the first attribute of the font tag. The second attribute of the font tag is font face. All right, I have already created here the structure. Simply I'll just copy here. Okay, I'll just copy from here and then I'll paste it here. Okay, so the font face here, okay, there are many font face available in the font tag. Take for example here. Take for example in Microsoft Word, you can see there are many font face here, or the different types of font face here, which you can choose from. Okay, so same way here, you can choose different fonts. Okay, see here there are different fonts you can choose from here. You just have to remember the name. Okay, so here whatever font type you want, you just click, okay, and you can apply. Okay, so now the first font face we will be discussing here is the Cooper Black. Okay, so font face Cooper Black, and then at the same time I'm applying the size 1. So the text to be displayed on the web pages, this text will be in Cooper Black, font face, and size 1. And then opening font has its closing font, and then BR tag to go to the new line. Okay, so same way with the second font face. Second font face, the type is Verdana, and then applying size 2, and then this is the text to be displayed on the web page. Same with number 3, I'm applying Arial, size 3. This is the text to be displayed on the web page. And then next is Comic Sans MS, applying size 4. Next is Monotype Corsiva, applying size 5. Next is Courier New, applying size 6. And Broadway, size 7. So there are different types of font face which you can choose. So these are some of the examples that I will show you here. All right, so after you have made changes, click on File Save, and then you refresh the page here. Okay, so in this way you will see here, you see here. Okay, so between the font size and the font face, I will just apply this BR tag 2 times. Okay, 2 times to give a line here. See here, it will give a line between the font size and the font face. So okay, so the first face here is Cooper Black. So the style of Cooper Black is this one, and then size 1. And then the size of Verdana, this is the size of the Verdana, and then the size 2. And then the next face is Arial. So Arial with size 3. Next is Comic Sans MS with size 4. Next is Monotype Corsiva, size 5. Next is Courier New with size 6. Next is Broadway with size 7. So you see that one font face is different. That means the style is different from one handwriting to another handwriting. All right. So here I'm applying both the font face and the size. All right. So same way here, I will apply to BR tag to give a new line. Click on File Save. Okay. The last attribute of the font tag is the font color. So there are different types of color which you can choose from. So you see the first color here is red. I'm applying with the color name. And then the second is blue. This one also applying with color name. And then the third one is purple, applying with the color name. So as the last 3, I'm applying with the hexadecimal code. So this first code here is cyan, and then the second code here is magenta, and then the third code here is orange. So in this way you can see the difference between the color name and the color code. So it's up to your choice whether you want to apply with the color name or the color code. All right, so in this way you will see the difference between all the 3 attributes of the font tag, that is the font size, the font face, and the font color. We'll close the body with the closing body tag and close HTML with the closing HTML tag. So when you maximize the web page here, you will see in a big screen. You see here, this is the heading tag, and then this is the font size starting from range 1 to range 7. This is the font face along with the font size, showing different types of font face. And then the last one is the font color, applying the color name and the color code. All right. So thank you friends for watching. Hope you are clear with this tutorial. You'll see more video tutorials coming on HTML. So friends, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.